Magkano ba kayo?
Wala sa papasok, $5 yung entrance fee.
I-picture mo.
Oh, papasok mo na tayo ng cake. Kasi yun yan dyan. Makikita tayo ng mga wine. $5 nga, including yung gold card.
Sakay na yan.
Bakit may gold card? Kanina ng planta ng ano.
Ano, pasok tayo? Pasok?
Kung hindi ka papasok ng ano.
Akala ko may love, di ka na bibili. Natokso ka na naman. Oh.
Ay, ito pala yan.
So the temperature in the case varies between 11 and 13 degrees, and the humidity goes up to 80% all year long, and it's natural.
Yes.
Okay?
Okay.
Sorry.
It's natural. Natural. It's not man-made, this cave.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
natural.
It's natural.
Madilim sa akin. Kaya. Dapat pala naka-night mode. Ayan. Ay po, sorry.
So Jacques Sara was a monastery for the Jesuit fathers, founded in 1857. The fathers had 20 hectares of land, and they used to make sweet wine for the church and red wine for their own consumption. Due to two accidents, this monastery was transformed into a vitiviniculture company. The first accident was the murder of two of the fathers while they were coming from Beirut to Zahri. At that time, they won 240 hectares, which is now Tanayin lands. And they discovered that the quality of soil here is similar to the quality of soil in south of France. So they started introducing grapes from France, and with this production, Xara became the first winery in the Middle East. But we can't use the flashlights.
Okay.
Okay.
Turn off your flashlights.
Flashlights is bad for the wine.
Gosh, sorry. Ay, ganun.
Binilang nyo ba? Ilan na? Binilang nyo?
Hindi. Bilang pa tayo ba?
How many bottles?
Ay, sorry.
They're made of oak tree.
Tree, sorry.
Because it's old bottles. Yes, it's a version for the caves.
Yan, maliwanag sa mga. Sa akin na madilim.
It's empty? Yes. There is wine inside?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Wine.
Nakita niyo yung mga bote dyan sa loob na yan? May mga lamang wine? Hindi yan daw, hindi. May wine yan. Ginulong na nila. Ano yung mga wine? Hindi ba yun mag-expire?
Kinukuha nila yan siguro mga
Wala
pinapalasa.
nga expired eh. Mahal na.
Okay. So we have in the caves around 350 barrels. Each barrel can contain 225 liters and can fit 300 bottles of wine. And we import the barrels from Bordeaux in France. We use them 4 times. 2 times for the premium wines and 2 other times for our second choice, the Reserve Blanc. After these 4 times, we can't use the barrels anymore because the pore of the wood will close. And it doesn't give us the oak vanilla taste. So we sell it. لا العالم ايه مظبوط
300 daw, tigi-tigi sa daw tayo ng isang pare. Dito na yung mga alam.
Only you import in France?
Hindi na siya magamit.
Kaya masarap yung France.
Pag magingay na siya, malapit na maano.
Pag maingay, wala nang ang ingay.
Matigas pa, hindi pa siya pwede.
Ano ba, kinakatok?
Wala, matigas pa, hindi pa nagsunog. Quiet lang.
Maliwanag.
كل شيء تمام؟ ظبطكم قبل شوي
Arif. Closer a little bit.
Welcome to
Ay,
Lebanon.
hindi na tayo picture.
Welcome to the Lebanon. Hi, the stateside alak. You drink now. Stateside alak. In 1841.
Saan tayo? Sorry. Saan tayo?
Photo.
Dito na bangin. Madilim.
Dito ka, oh.
Ano na? Nasaan ka na?
Nag-ano siya. Welcome to Lebanon. Dito na yung mga stateside na alak. Hindi pa pwede, hindi pa hinog. Pag hindi pa tunog. Kasi pag alak natin, sa Pilipinas yung, ano mo yung ubas. Sa atin iba. Pag umingay na, ibig sabihin pwede na. Pero hindi pa umingay yung maawang yung tunog.
Ayan, meron niya mga laman.
Oo. May mama. Photo.
بالعكس خليتيها واقفه
Discover na dito na pwede pagbinan di araw.
المكان هيك تفرض لانها ناشفه الفلينه اتركوها نايمه ايه بتضل هيك بالفلينه بتفتح معكم اسهل وهيك ما يفوت على الانينه اكسجين هيك بتضاين اكثر ايه
Pwede na.
Sa atin yung lipa.
Pwede nang
So we produce every year around 3 million bottles of wine. 40% is exported and 60% for our local consumption.
Dito na yung mga wine. Ito na yung mga wine. Ito na yung mga wine ng Kasara. Hindi pa po pwede. Ilang barrel na to. Needs 4 years.
katok-katok.
Needs 4 years to...
Because of the high humidity in the caves, a kind of white mold is developed on the bottles. It's so beneficial because it keeps the cork humid enough and that protects the bottle from entering the oxygen in it.
Yung
يعني
humidity.
هودي عفوني على الأنانة اوكي من ورا الرطوبة المرتفعة بالكاف فهن مهمين لأن بيخلوا الفلينة رطبة فلما تصير الفلينة رطبة بتنفخ وما بقى بيطلع الأنانة أكسجين.
وهول الباتلز فور سيل او
لا not for sale.
اه
ايه
طب بضلوا ينشربوا
في
مثلا؟
منهم بعضهم بيشربوا بيعملوا عليهم تيست وبيطلعوا بعضهم ينشربوا.
اوكي.
Hindi pa naluto. Pani.
Okay. So now we are going for the domain tour. اوكي هنطلع لبرا هننقسم دو جروب.
Ito kulo anini hada. For the
Barrel.
liquor. But it's still not good bad. Hada kulo. Hada cave fil kasara for the liquor. This one all. And if you want this, you will drink. How many flavor? Like. Picture din ako ate. Sige. Picture lang ako. Picture tayo din. Dalawa tayo. Sure.
Kay ma-before and after kami ng memories. video.
Walang lubak ah.
Walang luba.
Tamahalan na ito ah, flood control. Yala, video guys.
So the fathers value the biodiversity. They used to plant their daily
Welcome to
vegetable
Lebanon.
needs here. Until this day we are following their footsteps and we are still planting our daily vegetable needs here which we use it in our restaurant. And we farm sheep and chickens. Did you see that?
Okay. And you plant corn.
Yeah, no, not corn.
What is that?
Iceberg and yeah.
Lettuce.
It's our
Yes.
Kababayan, the owner of the Kasara.
the boss, Alet.
Yes.
She's working. You know her?
No, this is the first time I see it.
Okay.
And this was the oldest building in the state. It was the monastery for the fathers. Now it's dorms for students who take internships in agriculture.
Okay.
You're from the same country?
Yes.
Pakistan or?
Philippines.
Okay.
From Philippines. This is our flag.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Okay, so here we have a small church of St. Peter and Paul. Every Sunday we hold the mass here.
Bye-bye. Wait. Her cup is
Flying.
Wait, I will take it.
Nadrag.
Her cup is
Makarap din tayo.
now she's come.
Wait.
Ayan na yung mga grapes. Grapes.
Matuluyan na talaga niya.
Ayan, maraming din grapes sa loob yun, di ba ate? Sa lugar ng Papa Farm. Doon talaga ang mga taniman ng grapes din, no? Sa loob yun.
Lebanon, the history is about grapes and wine.
And olives.
The history is
And olives.
Corruption.
Wag naman, oy, kakaya naman yan.
Story is corruption.
sugarcane.
Dito din naman eh, meron
Okay,
eh, hindi
so
lang
during the
nila.
harvest season, all trucks bringing grapes enter from this green gate. We weigh them on this scale and we unload the grapes here under the logo of Chateau Sahara. We unload the premium grapes like Chardonnay, Cabernet Sauvignon.
Laki pala ng ano nila, no? It's big like how many hectares?
140 hectares, distributed over more than 10 regions in Lebanon.
As only you do import in France? Makigir balat?
Yes, just for France. And we have 2 Lebanese grapes.
Okay.
But we import the seeds, but we plant it here.
You don't bring the wine in.
No. We import the seeds and we plant it in Lebanon. And here in this region we have just 14 hectares.
Yani the seeds you plant here, it's from France.
Yes, exactly.
Balik mo dito dari, anong gidagat pa tayo ng kalo? Grabe, lalaki ng mga kahoy dito. Oh, may bahay kubo. They have rest house up. Look, guys. Tree house.
Yes.
There's tree house.
Sarap ng hangin. Ito na yung taniman, pagkuha na ng gabi.
You can drive to Beirut or no? For us?
No.
Pasaway ka, Manday.
Since
when you started
You have this
golf cart?
Here in Chateau Sahara?
Yes. Year ago? Or?
1 year ago.
Okay.
Yes.
Because last year,
Yes, it's new.
last year we went here and we don't have bikes.
Naglakad lang kayo, Day?
Wala din.
Hindi kayo umikot?
Wala, nga doon lang sa...
Wala man to golf car nila. Dito kami nakain natin.
Di sulit naman, ano? Kahit paano.
Dito naman sila tayo kumain kanina. Oh, dyan kami nakain natin. Hindi pa tayo.
Pwede pa dito kumain.
Kamayan sila. Doon kami nagnakaw ng mga ubas. Diyan kami umihi ng langka. Oo! Tapos daghan kayong tawod dire.
Diri, wa diri pakialam na kung miss kuno ano uli. Kita ba kayo nila?
Okay.
We go uli.
Okay, welcome to Lebanon.
Welcome, welcome. We have a great day.
Yeah. Nice pala itong magsakay ng ganito lang. Wala na dating ganito.
Back to inside.
Okay.
We're done.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Kay ma-before and after kami ng memories.
Bugat
May pahabol pa eh.
Bukat tara